Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use ContactOut. ContactOut is a tool that's going to help you find people's contact, whether you need it for hiring or you yourself are trying to reach out to people to find a job. ContactOut is going to help you find their contact info. After watching this video, I hope that you guys are going to find it easier to find people, but please refrain from doing anything silly. Make sure you're using this platform solely for you to help your life to be easier. Alright, so it says over here that you can find countless prospects outside of LinkedIn fast. Accelerate prospecting with instant access to 300 million professionals from 30 million companies with the right contact details. It can also help you supercharge your LinkedIn prospecting. With their AI personalizer, you can personalize emails automatically with AI. They also have AI writers that's going to help you get instant reply with AI. And you're also going to be able to automate and accelerate your email outreach. Now you might be wondering, why do you have to use ContactOut? Why not just try to find people out in LinkedIn? Well, here's why. As you can see that LinkedIn data only have 20% of total profile info available on the web. Meanwhile, ContactOut AI search cover around up to 86% of total profiles info available on the web. As you can see here, beside LinkedIn, there's also website crawlers and job portals, market research and public info, crowdsource and data partner, and Edgar/SEC filings. So here are the products that they are offering. As an overview, you can go ahead and find out more about their data and also their client if you click on the overview section. Now, in order to be able to enjoy their features to the fullest, you are going to have to subscribe to their membership, and here I'm going to show you some of the membership that they have. These ones are the ones that are billed monthly, in which you can actually use for free, but the only benefit you get is just 4 emails per day and 2 phone numbers a day. As for the next package that they have, you can get these benefit, which is 500 work emails and 50 phone numbers with the price of $99 per month. And the next one is the recruiter package, which they didn't show you the price because you probably could custom it out, so you can just go ahead and contact them directly if you would like to use the recruiter package. They also offer team discount if you want to use ContactOut along with your teams. Now that I show you the pricing, we are going to go straight ahead to create our free account. And there are actually several ways that you could do in order to sign up to ContactOut. You can go ahead and sign up using Google or Outlook, or you can always try to input your email manually and click create your account if you would like to do that instead. After we finish with our sign up, the page are going to take us directly back to the home page. And if you want to start trying to find some people, you can just go ahead and click the try out search button. As you can see here right off the bat, we already get some contact information for some people. And not only that, you can also try to search out the contact of the people that you only know the name of the companies about. So for example, you don't know the name of a person that work at, let's say, Nestle, but you would like to get in contact with them, whether it's for you to offer some maybe services for them, or you would just like to work on that company. Now, on the top right of the screen, you can see that there are actually more than 300 million people, 300 million profiles that you can see in ContactOut. All right, now let's pretend that we are trying to find some people to work with us. As for the example for today, I am going to try to find some graphic designer. So I'm going to go ahead and type graphic designer as the job title. And then let's say I would like to find someone who at least have several years of experience. So I can just go ahead and put the total years of experience of the person that I'm searching for. I can also set the location, whether I want them in the same country of me or maybe outside of the country. And then to make my search even more specific, I can also try to filter which industry this graphic designer have worked before. So the tabs that I was showing you on the left side of the screen is actually the tabs for filter. So you can go ahead and create as many filters as you want. Maybe you would like the result of your search to be very specific. You can go ahead and do so. Now that I've already inputted all of the necessary info that I would like to input inside of my search, I can just go ahead and click the search button. And as you can see, ContactOut already gathers several profiles that match with the filter that I already inputted. Not only did they give me the emails and also their phone numbers, but they also give me their background, such as their educational background, and they also give me the exact location where they are. You might be wondering, what if these contacts are not accurate? What if these are just some AI made contacts? To test that out, you can go ahead and maybe input your own profile and see if it's right or not. Or, as I did here, I tried to input the contacts of my friend and also my sister, in which both of them are pretty much accurate. ContactOut managed to provide me with the exact number and also the exact email that my friends and also my sisters are using, along with their working history. Now I've already done my search with people. I am going to try to find what will we get if we try to click from the company section instead. So I'm going to try to find the contacts of the people that are working in Dana, Indonesia and also in Flip. So you can actually try to find several contacts at once instead of just clicking one by one on the name of the company. And what will happen when we click more than just one company? What happened is that ContactOut is going to give us several profiles, several contacts of the people who work in those companies that we are searching for. And let's say that I would like to contact some of these people. I can just go ahead and check on the small box on the left side of each profile pictures, and then I can go ahead and save them to create my own list. Saving these profiles on some bulk of profiles are going to save me some times if I ever want to contact them through emails or maybe through their phone numbers. And that's it. You can always try to explore with the filters that you can put inside of the search box. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.